Mangoes, often referred to as the king of fruits, are one of the most beloved tropical fruits in the world, cherished for their juicy sweetness, fragrant aroma, and rich golden flesh. But have you ever wondered how these luscious fruits make their way from sprawling mango orchards to your fruit bowl? In this video, we're taking you on an incredible journey through the meticulous process of mango farming and harvesting, exploring the techniques that bring us the world's best mangoes. From the moment a mango tree is planted to the time the ripe fruit is handpicked and shipped globally, the process is an extraordinary fusion of nature, science, and hard work. Mangoes thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, with warm temperatures and plenty of sunlight. The top mango-producing countries include India, Thailand, Indonesia, Mexico, the Philippines, Brazil, and Pakistan. However, India holds the crown as the world's largest producer, accounting for nearly 50% of the global mango supply. Regions such as Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh produce some of the most sought-after varieties like Alphonso, Kesar, and Dasheri. Meanwhile, Mexico dominates the mango exports to North America, offering varieties like Atalfo and Tommy Atkins. Mango farming starts with selecting the best saplings, either grown from seeds or grafted for higher yield and disease resistance. These young trees require 3 to 5 years before they start bearing fruit. During this time, farmers use techniques like pruning, irrigation, and organic fertilization to ensure the trees grow strong and produce high-quality mangoes. A well-maintained mango orchard consists of trees spaced strategically to allow maximum sunlight exposure while preventing overcrowding. Mango trees bloom once a year, usually during spring or early summer depending on the region. The trees produce thousands of tiny flowers, but only a small percentage will develop into mangoes. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in fertilizing these flowers, ensuring a healthy fruit set. To improve yield, some farmers even introduce artificial pollination techniques or apply natural sprays to enhance fruit production. After successful pollination, tiny green mangoes begin to form. Over the next 90 to 150 days, these mangoes grow larger, absorbing nutrients and ripening under the sun. Farmers closely monitor the trees for pests, diseases, and unpredictable weather conditions like storms, which can damage crops. Organic and sustainable farming techniques, such as drip irrigation, composting, and using natural insect repellents, are widely practiced to ensure chemical-free mangoes. Unlike some fruits that continue ripening after being picked, mangoes need to be harvested at the perfect stage of maturity. Experienced farmers handpick the fruit based on size, color, and firmness, ensuring they are neither overripe nor underripe. In large-scale commercial farms, hydraulic lifts and specialized mango picking machines are used to reach mangoes at the tops of tall trees. Harvesting usually takes place early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent sun damage and preserve the fruit's natural freshness. Once harvested, mangoes undergo an intensive sorting and quality control process. Fruits are categorized by size, ripeness, and overall quality. They are then washed, desapped, and carefully packed in ventilated crates to prevent bruising. Some exporters use hot water treatment or vapor heat treatment to eliminate pests and extend shelf life. These mangoes are then shipped to supermarkets and fruit markets worldwide, ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. India, Thailand, and Mexico are the top exporters of mangoes, shipping millions of tons worldwide every year. Fresh mangoes are transported by air or refrigerated sea containers, while processed mango products such as mango pulp, dried mangoes, and mango juice are shipped in bulk. Mango festivals are held in various countries, celebrating the fruit's importance in culture and cuisine. There are over 500 varieties of mangoes, each with its unique flavor, texture, and aroma. Some of the most popular ones include Alphonso from India, known as the king of mangoes with a creamy texture and a sweet, rich taste. Atalfo from Mexico, a small yellow mango with smooth, buttery flesh and no fibers. Tommy Atkins from the USA, Mexico, and Brazil, a firm, fibrous variety perfect for commercial trade. Carabao from the Philippines, sweet and juicy, widely consumed in Southeast Asia. And Kent and Keat from Florida, Peru, and Ecuador, less fibrous and excellent for juices and smoothies. Mango farming provides employment for millions of people worldwide, from farmers and pickers to exporters and market sellers. It is also an essential part of cultural traditions, often used in festivals, religious ceremonies, and culinary delights. Mangoes are packed with vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and fiber, making them one of the healthiest and most nutritious fruits on the planet. With increasing global demand for mangoes, Smart agriculture and modern technology are being introduced to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Vertical farming, drone monitoring, and genetic breeding for pest-resistant mango varieties are shaping the future of mango production. Efforts to reduce post-harvest losses and use sustainable packaging materials are also being prioritized to ensure eco-friendly mango farming practices. From the sun-kissed orchards of India to the vast plantations of Mexico, the journey of a mango from farm to table is nothing short of amazing. Behind every juicy bite is a story of dedication, patience, and innovation. Whether you're eating a mango fresh, blended into a smoothie, or added to a delicious dessert, remember the fascinating process that brought this fruit to you. So, next time you enjoy a ripe mango, think of the farmers, the soil, and the sunshine that made it possible. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mango farming and harvesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about how your favorite foods make it to your plate.